Understanding Warehouse Savings, a guide to shopping smarts. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're excited to dive into a common phrase you might encounter while shopping or browsing flyers: warehouse savings. This phrase is not only useful for shopping enthusiasts but also important for English language learners to understand. So, let's explore what it means together. Warehouse savings is a compound phrase consisting of two words, warehouse and savings. A warehouse is a large building where goods are stored before they are sold or distributed. The word savings refers to the act of saving money, or the amount of money saved. Put together, warehouse savings implies saving money by purchasing items stored in a warehouse. This phrase is often used in retail and marketing. Retailers use warehouse savings to suggest that their prices are lower because they sell goods directly from a warehouse, cutting down on costs like fancy store setups and middlemen. It's a way for stores to highlight their competitive prices. Let's look at some examples. 1. Flyers and advertisements. You might see warehouse savings in store flyers, indicating special deals or discounts. 2. Membership-based stores. Stores like Costco or Sam's Club often use this phrase, as they operate warehouse-style retail stores. 3. Online retailers. Websites like Amazon may use the phrase to show savings on bulk purchases or larger items. It's important to note that warehouse savings doesn't always guarantee the lowest prices. Sometimes, it's a marketing tactic to attract customers. Always compare prices and check the quality of products before making a purchase. We hope this video has shed light on the phrase, warehouse savings, and its usage in everyday English. Remember, it's always smart to be an informed shopper. Thanks for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in our next video. Happy learning and happy shopping!